What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're going to be making a really different recipe today. We're actually going to be making savory oatmeal. It's going to be Cajun, it's going to be spicy, it's going to have beans in it. It's going to be different than what you guys are used to for breakfast in the morning. Totally delicious and easy to make. So let's get right to work. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell, so every time we upload a new video, you get notified for brand new healthy recipes. Okay, so this is what we're using for ingredients. I got 1 tomato diced, about 5 cloves of finely minced garlic. This is hot smoked paprika. It's got chilies and some heat in it. 1 white onion, about a cup, diced. About 1 cup of string beans, and they're cut at angles, and about 1 cup of baby portobello mushrooms sliced, 1 cup of organic black beans drained, about a 1/4 cup of minced cilantro, sea salt. I'm using Cajun seasoning, and also a little bit of cumin. I have here 2 cups of, these are quick oats. You can use rolled oats better, or any other kind of oat products, except probably the steel cut oats, because I think those are a bit tougher to cook. So any rolled oats or the quick ones. This is the first time I'm doing this recipe, so bear with me. We're going to experiment a bit here, and I think it's going to turn out pretty good. So I have also olive oil. That's what I'm using to saute. And what I'm going for is I'm trying to get kind of like a risotto-like consistency with this recipe. Let's see how it turns out, and get over to our pan. Alright, so we're starting with our pan on medium. So we're about 270 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm actually going to go down to 265. And I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now to this olive oil, we're going to add the onions. Still not really hot enough, but that's fine. It'll be in a few seconds. We just want to get the onion to be softened, and then we're going to add now our garlic. And here I'm going to add the mushrooms and the string beans. Now to this mix, I'm going to go ahead and add in the tomatoes. The tomatoes are going to provide some moisture, and also are going to help to loosen the little sticky bits from the bottom. So a lot of the flavors building up. You want to cook everything like 3/4 of the way through before adding in any more ingredients, because the quick oats will cook really fast. Now if you had rolled oats, which are a little bit slower, then you could maybe cook it halfway, then add your oats. Everything looks pretty cooked. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the beans in. And I'm going to add my oats. Mix everything in nicely. And I just want to kind of stir this up gently to get the flavor into these oats of the garlic, the onion, tomato, all of that. I want it to permeate those oats. Now, to this, I'm going to start adding my seasonings. I'm going to go in with about half a tablespoon of smoked paprika. About a half a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. About a half a teaspoon of cumin. Well, I don't want that cumin to be boiled up like that, but okay. So now you stir all of this in. And I'm going to add water to cook our oats. Should be ready in a few minutes. Now I'm going to add in a few cups of water. Just let it cook. Wow, this smells amazing. This should become creamy, kind of like a risotto, and be colorful and spicy and really, really, really delicious. Right now it smells really good with that smoked paprika, the Cajun seasoning. I'm getting the cumin. Amazing. Nice colors. I'm going to add a little bit of sea salt. Stir it up. And the oatmeal is just going to continue to suck up water and become creamy. I have a feeling this is going to be a really, really delicious recipe. Let me get a little taste to make sure the salt, if I need any. Wow. It's perfect. And add a little bit more water. Pretty much the oatmeal's cooked. Maybe just a touch more water. Finish it up. Right now this tastes phenomenal. So I'm going to just shut it off here. Finish stirring it in so it don't stick at the bottom like it was starting to do. And we're going to add our cilantro in. Give it that nice, beautiful freshness and taste. It's going to really bring out this dish. It actually looks a lot better than I thought it was going to look. I thought it was going to be pretty ugly, but it actually looks really, really, really nice. I'm not concerned about the taste at all, but my concerns were how it was going to look when it was put together. So that's pretty much ready to serve. I'm going to go ahead and serve it and give it a taste for you guys. Alright guys, look how beautiful that looks. I'm going to go ahead and I garnish it with a parsley leaf. I'm going to take some tomatoes and just layer them right here, just to give it a little bit of freshness and color. And also I think it's going to make a great pair to go with this creamy, delicious oatmeal. So now I'm going to take a little bit of olive oil and just run a little drizzle on the tomatoes, a little bit of sea salt, and we're ready to go. Look how beautiful that oatmeal is. It's got amazing color. I did not really expect it to be so pretty, but it did come together nicely. Really happy with it. I hope you guys give something like this a try and think outside the box. This is a great way if you're bored of eating sweet oatmeal all the time. I eat a lot of oatmeal usually in the morning. That's one of my go-to breakfasts. And knowing that I can make it savory is actually opens a whole lot of new doors for me now. I encourage you guys to experiment with it. Remember, if you like the recipe, give us a thumbs up. Hit the bell button next to the subscribe so you get updates whenever we upload. And I'll see you guys really soon on the next one. Alright, so I'm going to give this oatmeal a taste and let you guys know how it came out. Wow. Wow. Tastes really delicious. The beans are soft, it's creamy, kind of like a risotto, but I get that taste of cilantro in there. It's got some heat. Wow. This is an amazing recipe, guys. I encourage you to try different forms of savory oatmeal. It's so cheap, it's even cheaper than rice, and so easy to make. I think there's so many opportunities with this. Wow, it's so good.